Hello friend, today I am going to show you nice, tall, large arrangement for any occasion, mostly for a stage, podium, reception, altar, anywhere that you can use this beautiful arrangement. I am using primary flower as we do in class that we have. We are using primary, secondary, mass flower, filler, and greenery. In this design, happily, we are using almost everything. Primary flowers are long flower that create line of our design. Without primary flower, you can be a little bit lost. You don't know where to start. In order to start in proper position for your design, you need to create your line. In order to create your line, you need tall, nice flower or mass flower. Roses are round and strong and long, mass flower, and larkspurs are nice and tall flower. So to create our line, as we discussed, you cut nice good larkspur, you put in center. So I'm going to create height of my design. Again, I will cut as much as I can. Fresh cut always. You make sure you cut a little bit of tip of your flower, any kind of flower you use. I like larkspur. Larkspurs are mostly end of winter and spring flower. They grow in California almost everywhere, even in your garden. They are coming in beautiful purple, white, and very nice pink. They all very beautiful and useful in any occasion. So height of my design starts with height of larkspur. For this design, you can use any kind of container. This is very old-fashioned pedestal style that I like. So in ceramic, this is, I think it's in clay, very nice. And then I am going to use some bells of Ireland. Bells of Ireland are very nice. I love to use. They give nicer texture to our design. Design is round, so I will make sure that I can show you every corner of this design. And I always use foam. Foam is secure your design and shape. You go round with your bells of Ireland. You can use as many you want according budget. I don't waste any flower. We should not. That is part of the floral arranging, is to use as much as possible all of your product. Okay, so you can use, that is, you can see this is our line and shape. So it's kind of coming down in dome or triangle shape. Every corner there is a triangle. You can see, you can visualize every corner. You can use more of larkspur if you want, or even bells. But I feel I am good. I'm going to use some of greenery now to cover this area. Then I use my secondary. So greenery is mostly for cover mechanic, goes everywhere. This is beautiful silver dollar, Eucalpytus family. They are very nice color, and they are also smell good in your design. Makes this design more elaborate and nice and bushy and natural look. If you are taking certificate program in my classes, this is part of your advanced design. Anything you use, I want you to make sure you are giving fresh cut. When you give fresh cut, your product stays nice and fresh. Meanwhile, you can go back and add more to make your arrangement fuller and nicer. We are not in section of secondary yet. We are still working on primary to create our line in best way that we want. About one bunch of each product that I am using, meaning 10 stem usually, that give me nice, good minimum of $200 arrangement. So if you are going to the budget, thinking about budget, that's how we work on budget for each arrangement. I'm going to give some extra attention to the greenery, add more. This is also very nice greenery. A Scotch broom. Okay, I'm gonna add more just to give nicer personality in this design. Maybe here and here. My secondary or mass flower are red roses, nice red freedom roses that I can go start from corner of any primary coming down. Color coordination should be good too. So this one is dark purple and dark red are very nice together. This is our secondary. I do have secondary to make it nicer and fuller, and that is purple carnation. In your secondary or even primary, as long as you have your line created, you can use any flower. In between line and in between secondary. Your secondary flower goes in between secondary flower. You can look to your arrangement while you are working to make sure that balance that you need is created. Balance and harmony is very important for any design. So I can see here or any corner. I can need more here. That's why I always mention you never count number of flower. You go by your design to make sure every corner is full and nice. This arrangement also can go for lobby or entrance of any event like reception or ceremony. They are perfect. Okay, I think if you step back and look to your creation, you can see it's almost done. If I can add a few more to make the line perfect. Very nice. Okay, this is our finished product. Thanks for watching. If you like live person-to-person classes about this design, you can sign at minadesignschool.com or subscribe this channel. Thank you.